So let's finally decode the business that the top 1% are wanting to do and are doing and are wanting to actually be a part of, even if they are not already, ताकि वो scale कर पाएं. And this business, the moment of truth, that has allowed me to also make multiple millions of dollars for myself in my early 20s. This business is called as high ticket mentorship. Right? So what exactly is this business? Well, बहुत simple सी बात हो गई. There are 3 areas. Okay? Health, wealth, relationships. लोगों of course आपको ये पता है कि बीमार होना तो कम होएंगे नहीं. Everybody would want better health. This will go on forever. Relationships, लोगों की relationship problems कल तो रुक नहीं जाएंगी. This will go on forever. लोगों की तमन्ना to actually earn more money, ये भी कभी रुकेगी नहीं. So there will be always demand for these kind of things. So if you come into the picture, understand where exactly my niche is. Niche मतलब आपकी target audience, right? कौन से वो island के अंदर stuck हैं जहाँ पे they are very unhappy हो गए because they don't have proper health, proper relationships, proper wealth, right? And आप इनको island number 2 तक actually लेके जाएं, right? Where they can have better health, better relationships or better wealth, and you bridge this gap with your step-by-step solution. So this is island number 1 and this is island number 2. अगर आप इस picture के अंदर आते हैं, right? And you as a third party perspective are here and you create a solution. Now this solution could be one-to-one coaching. This solution could be, DFY solutions, done for you solution. आप services provide कर सकते हैं, right? हो सकता है आप एक mastermind form कर सकते हैं. It could be some sort of speaking arrangement. Point is, you could deliver this solution through any medium or form as long as you are able to help somebody go from island number 1 to island number 2. Now, just to give you an example, we have one of our clients whose name is Heyman Mahajan. He helps IT professionals to actually relieve their anxiety and become successful in their career. We have people like Chetan, who's the founder of Level Up for Women, who actually solves the problem of PCOS that a lot of females struggle with and helps them lose weight successfully. We have people like Pranav VK, who's a stock market coach that helps people to learn about stock market and get better returns in terms of their trading as well. We have people like Bhupendra Pal Singh, who's also a fitness coach that helps people to lose weight. So point is कि आप इन किसी areas में अगर आप 1% भी अच्छे हो than your clients, what you can do is you can charge anywhere between 30,000 rupees to even 16 lakh rupees for your valuable advice and services. And the best part is, अगर आप इन services को international लेके जाते हो, you can even charge $3,000 to $5,000 for the same valuable advice and services, right? So the point is, if you want to actually earn 50 lakh plus rupees and become part of the top 1%, guess what? You just need to get approximately 3 to 5 clients every single month, right? In order to achieve this depending upon your price point. So let's suppose, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, अगर आप 50,000 रुपए चार्ज कर रहे हैं, अगर आप 5 क्लाइंट्स ले आए, आप 2.5 लाख रुपए approximately earn कर रहे होंगे. अगर आप 10 clients ले आए, you are now earning 5 lakh rupees, which is amazing for the standard of this country. तो अगर आप अभी सोच रहे हो रोहन, all that is fine, but the question is how? Again, रोहन, how? कैसे मैं start करूँ? Well, बहुत simple चीज़ है. The first thing that you need to do is you need to find out your skills. आप usually किसी चीज़ में तो अच्छे हो गए. शायद हो सकता है आप किसी को कोई मैथ पढ़ाने में अच्छे हो. शायद हो सकता है you are good at therapy. Maybe you're good at giving relationship advice. Go talk to your friends and family members and figure out what is that one skill that you're good at. और अगर आप किसी भी चीज में अच्छे नहीं हो, आज की डेट में YouTube पे इतनी फ्री वीडियोस हैं, go find any kind of course. There are 3-hour courses, 5-hour courses. In fact, there are 4-part video series on my channel as well that you can actually follow in order to learn various kind of skills. Now, in my case, मैंने क्या किया? मैंने learn की थी digital marketing. And इसको करने के लिए what did I do? I just joined an institute and learned this particular skill. Not rocket science. Okay. Number 2, you find problems. तो मैंने क्या किया? After I learned the skill, I interviewed 30 people and मैंने उनसे पूछा, भाई आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? What is one thing that is causing you a lot of pain? Okay, this means after talking to 30 people, let's suppose back when I started my agency, मैंने realize किया कि जो e-commerce store owners हैं, वो struggle करते हैं to actually get a lot of sales for their business, right? And after that, when my agency evolved, I also learned that a lot of coaches struggle with this concept of high ticket क्लाइंट्स, उनको क्लाइंट्स चाहिए, हाई टिकट चाहिए, बट उनको पता नहीं है कि वो कैसे इन क्लाइंट्स को एक्चुअली ला पाए. Number 3, I developed something called as a MVP, which stands for Minimum Viable Product. इसका ये मतलब है मैंने इन 30 इंडिविजुअल्स को वापस अप्रोच किया एंड मैंने एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप सोल्यूशन बताया, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ और मेरे को अपने क्लाइंट को रिजल्ट देना है, मैंने स्टेप 1 लेट्स सपोज डाल लिया टू टेक देयर एसेट्स, उनका सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट रिट्रीव करना, उनका फेसबुक एड अकाउंट वगैरह रिट्रीव करना, एट्सेट्रा. स्टेप नंबर 2 हो गया सेटअप देयर पेजेस, उनके इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल को सेटअप कर लिया, प्रोफाइल पिक्चर डाल दी, थोड़े बहुत रील्स डाल दी, थोड़ा बहुत कंटेंट डाल दिया. उसके बाद सेटअप देयर एड अकाउंट, राइट? डेवलप देयर क्रिएटिव, राइट? इट कुड बी लॉन्च एड, इट कुड बी ऑप्टिमाइज एड, इट कुड बी स्केल एड. एंड इसका जो बाय प्रोडक्ट है, राइट, once somebody completes this, it is more money, right? Then the next thing that I did, I focused on getting case studies. अगर आप बिलीव नहीं करते हो, आप मेरे YouTube चैनल पे ओल्डेस्ट वीडियोस पे जा सकते हो, देख सकते हो some of the initial customers who got results with my MVP, जिनकी मैंने हेल्प की थी, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं अबाउट दिस. फिर मैंने क्या किया, इन केस स्टडीज को एक्चुअली यूज किया. अगर आपके पास इनिशियली केस स्टडीज लाने में आपको दिक्कत हो रही है, शायद हो सकता है आप उतने स्किल्ड नहीं हो जैसे मैं स्किल्ड था, वर्क विद पीपल फॉर फ्री, गेट टेस्टिमोनियल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वीडियोस या फिर टेक्स्ट. एंड देन नंबर 5, एडवर्टाइज दीज केस स्टडीज टू गेट मोर क्लाइंट्स, राइट? तो आप यही केस स्टडीज को लेके वापस एड्स रन कर सकते हो टू फाइंड मोर पीपल जस्ट लाइक दीज 30 पीपल जिनको इनिशियली प्रॉब्लम थी, so that now you can show them, यार मैंने इन लोगों की हेल्प की, मैं आपकी भी कर सकता हूँ. Are you interested in talking to me? Get them on a one-to-one call, show them exactly how you can help them, pitch them your advice and services, and boom, you can charge a lot of money for it.